yung pagkain nila. Darling, oh, busy. Busy si darling. Ito yung food nila rito. Kaya mag-chopstick.
Okay.
Thank you. Sarap. Look at that. Kala ko dahil. Kala ko ano, yung octopus.
Deep fried wonton.
This one?
This is deep fried wonton. This is spring roll.
Yeah, oh. Spring roll, this one.
You know spring roll.
Yeah.
Right?
First time namin dito. Yun ang order namin. First time. Let's try the deep fry wonton. Try natin. Masarap. Kala ko ano, yung daing na squid. Baliw. Parang namang ano ito.
Spicy. You dip the spicy.
Hmm? Spicy? Oh, the sauce, yeah.
The sauce, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Not too bad.